In this video, I will show you how to set up Windows 11 without actually using a Microsoft account and providing password and email and stuff like that. So you can use this as a local account without need for all that of bullshit basically. While you are basically in the setup menu, once it starts up, you simply gonna select your language basically and continue basically as normal. And we basically need to bypass this thing, and we can't connect to the internet. If you currently have a desktop computer and are plugged in using LAN, then disconnect that before attempting this. If you have a Wi-Fi setup, make sure it's not connected and don't connect to the Wi-Fi here. In the past, there was a link to skip this step. However, on the new builds, you don't get this option. So what we have to do is basically we have to press this Shift plus F10 key on your keyboard. So if you're on laptop, you also need probably on some to also hold the function key. So the function, Shift and F10 at the same time. I will click that, I'll need two hands basically. Okay, and this command prompt will basically pop up. Then we need to enter this in this OO. Okay, so maybe need to click here. OOBE, then a slash like that, and bypass NRO. So once I hit the enter button, it will restart now probably. Okay, as you see, it's restarting. So wait a moment till it restarts. It restarted in the same menu. Okay, let's click our language, skip the keyboard and wait. Okay, and you got this option. I don't have internet here at the moment, so this whole bypass it basically. So click on that and then click continue with limited setup. Okay, and you basically need to enter your device name here. Okay, click next. Enter your password if you want to, or leave it blank so it won't ask for that as well. So then also make sure you press no on all this junk so it doesn't bother you. Okay, and it should start the setup process, and it will take some while to do this step, so be patient. And anyway, it should work just as it should be. And yeah, you don't need your email or stuff like that, and it won't bother with your online accounts and other stuff like that. Okay, so we were able to set it up and it works just fine now without using any of that Microsoft account stuff. And yeah, also you can use this setup process the way I showed you to bypass any accounts that you have enabled on this device. For example, I purchased this laptop used and I had some old user information on it from some company, and I couldn't bypass this step without actually entering that old person's email address of this computer. So this is also how I bypassed this, and this is the only way to do that as well. If this was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you!